MISFIT. I'm dipping in my Chevy. I'm bouncing in my Chevy. I'm riding in my Chevy. I got the free gas Chevy.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy lschevyryder254. We tuned in for another one. As you can see, we got a c-10 sitting outside looking lovely. Yes, sir. So as y'all know, we were having an issue with the with the door cylinder, right? It's supposed to be a little ring or something around there to do the thing. And actually, make sure the damn door unlocked before I walk all the way over there. I think it is. I don't think I leaned over and locked it. So actually you can see on this, but actually this one doesn't have one, but it should. It's like a little ring or something that holds the door on there. Well, to make it snugly fit. Let me see if we can find one on one of my old school cars. Okay, so as you can see, on this Caprice, it's a little rotating ring that's right there, and that's what it rolls onto or whatever. So after posting up that video, at the end of the video, I said I was gonna get another door stop and everything for this driver door, and one of my subscribers, shout out to DIY MISFIT, he suggested in the meantime, while I wait on ordering new these, which I mean they're only like $30 ship, something like that. But in the meantime, this tape is cheaper than that. So he says if I put the tape and wrap that around this here striker, then we should be good. So I am willing to give that a try, you know, to see if we can get a little bit closer. No, not like that. Actually take it off and wrap it around it. So I'm gonna do that real quick and I'll be right back and we'll see how it's gonna close. So just for a reference point, this is how it's closing now. As you can see, it's not closing. It's have all kind of play and stuff. So we'll put that tape on there and see where we are. Alright, y'all, we back. As you can see, I got the tape. The tape is on the striker. Just to give you an idea how many times I went around 10 times. I tried it, it didn't really work. And then so I went an additional 5 times. So I guess that was a little bit more that ultimate edge that it needed to, you know, get where it needed to be. So now I close it. Or I can just, you know, push it out of the way. That's it. Of course, it's not going to be 100% perfect. But if y'all remember the video before, it was a whole lot harder than that. So, shout out to DIY, man. I appreciate the advice, man. So if anybody else is trying to do it like on a budget, fix your striker, I mean, you might not even care. You might just put some tape on yours. Eventually I order some new ones. But as of now, my door closes so I can be secure, and then at the same time kind of move that down the priority list, but my truck still be secure. So till the next time, it's your boy lschevyryder254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strengths. Gone.